Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted data in Google Sheets. So if you want to recover deleted data on Google Sheets, it is possible using its built-in version history and other recovery options. And this is a step-by-step guide to do it. So if the root changes or if it's recent, you can just undo the recent changes by using the shortcut Control plus Z on your keyboard. And you can also click on this undo button in the toolbar. Or you can also use the version history. Google Sheets automatically save changes, so it allows you to restore earlier versions. You can go to File, and you'll see the version history, and you can just tap on see versions history in here, and to recover or to restore, you can just select the version that you want, and then after that you can just click on this three dots icon and tap on restore this version. And the third one, you can also check for the trash in the Google Drive. So open your drive in here, and after the drive is open, you can go to the trash folder in the left menu and locate the deleted file. You can just right click on it and select restore. Or you can also use reverse history for individual cells. In here, if the sheet was shared, email notifications sent for edits may include the deleted data, so you can just check email for any update logs. And you can also check the Google Form responses if applicable. If the sheet was linked into a Google Form, the responses may still be intact in the Forms Responses tab. You can also recover using shared file access. If the sheet is shared with collaborators, you can ask a collaborator who hasn't synced recent changes to copy the missing data from their view. The last one, you can also contact the Google support for critical data loss. You can just provide the file name, last known edit time, and any relevant details. So by following this step, I hope you should be able to recover deleted data in Google Sheets to minimize the changes of permanent data loss. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.